everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So if you have not seen the video that I posted introducing myself to YouTube, I will link that video down below in the description box if you would like to view it. Also, I did not want to do the 3-video series. I decided not to do it because it's too time consuming and I don't know if that's what people want to see yet on my channel. But I do know I am definitely going to do a hair review on this, and this is what this video is about. So I am not going to make this intro long, and I'm going to go straight into the video. Bye guys. And the hair review. So this hair is from, if you cannot see, WoWEbony, WoWEbony.com. It is a beautiful website. It has so many different varieties of hair. As you see, the hair that I have on is the 360 lace frontal in the color natural, and it is a 360 lace wig, and it's a kinky curly lace wig. So how the wig came packaged into me, it came in a beautiful box which has their Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. It has their websites, their email, and their number on this. And then it says open, and that's so cute. What came to me in the wig, the first thing that was on top of the wig was a pamphlet of all their wigs that they have. It has like the repair service, the exchange policy, the wig. I had the, if I can see, the 150 density Indian Remy pre-plucked hairline kinky curly lace wig. And there's a code for it right here. It is this wig. I find this very nice because if I ever want to order from this website again, I can look up here and just see, oh, maybe I want this wig. Here, I'll type it in their website and it'll pop up, you know? So next thing that was on top of it was their WoWEbony earn $30 back cash website for like people who want to do a review. If you do a review like me, you get $30 back from your PayPal, straight back into your PayPal. So let's get into the things. So the next thing was there was the hair, which was in a pretty little wrapping paper with their name all over it. I can tell that this product, like this product and this website, they take really good care of their hair, because if they put so much into their packaging, they have good hair, and I'm telling you, they have good hair. So the next thing it came was elastic band. The next thing I picked up, and it is an elastic band, which I have not used, and if I do want to use this, I probably will, but like for other wigs, but like for right now, I do not want to use it. The next thing that I seen was a needle and thread for the elastic band, or if you want to sew your wig on, and it also came with 3 duck clips, which, not 3 but 2 duck clips, which I have over there because I use them a lot now. Those are like the only things I've used out of this. And then it also came attached to the wig that I cut off was the stock card for the wig, and it was just WoWEbony websites, the website and the name and the logo, and that's like even more into their packaging, and then the hair, and so the name of the hair and everything. So it's a 360 lace frontal wig, 360 kinky curly. It's Indian Remy, 18 inches in the color natural color, cat size medium, hair density 150%. I probably said that a minute ago, but that's like more into the detail. I should wipe that off. So that is what came in the packaging. So let's get into the real detail. So shipping was about 3 to 4 days. Yeah, 3 to 4 days for shipping. It came to me in a week. Came 3 to 4 days. Processing was like 3 days, and like shipping was like 2 days. So like a week, you can say. Is discounting the Saturday and Sunday, it was like a week for me. So sorry, I have like something in my eye. But so when I first got the hair, or like took it out of the box and washed it, the hair did come with a stench. It came with like a, you know, like how wigs come, natural like human hair wigs come out of packaging. It came with a smell, and the smell is still there. When I first got it, it was a strong smell, like overpowering smell. Like you can say, oh my god, that stinks. But when you wash it and you add your products in it, the smell does simmer down a little bit, but it doesn't completely go away. Every time you wash the wig, you will smell that. But other than that, after you wash it, you won't be bothered by the smell after that, because you'll have your products in there and you'll just smell it whenever you wash it. That's what I'm trying to say. So parting wise, it is parted up to right here. You can part it up to right here. It's pretty long parting space. Towards the back, the parting space does shorten because I don't know why, but it does shorten because don't really know why. I don't know why I keep saying because, but it shortens in the back, and you can part it in the back, but I don't think there's necessary reason for you to part your hair in the back. So I don't really use the 360 part in the back because I don't really put my hair up that much, but whenever I do, I can just pull the baby hairs that it is given in the back and it looks natural. And I could do that with the front because it came with baby hairs around the whole perimeter, and that helps a lot. So it did come with 3 combs, which I took out. I took out all 3 of the combs because they will be bulky and I won't be using any of them, and they'll just make my wig bump up in certain places that I don't need it to. So it did come with 3 combs in the front, and then 1 big comb in the back, and adjustable elastic straps to like make it even more secure if you want to. And if you want the elastic band sewn onto it, then that's even more security. But I feel like it's not going anywhere like at all. So the products that I do use for this hair, if you didn't watch the video before, I use an As I Am curling jelly and just water and a Demon brush, and it gives me beautiful curls. So the curls that it comes with, when you open it, it's not as defined. It's just like crinkly curls, and I hated that. So I made sure I can look on YouTube before I ever use the hair, because I did look on somebody else's channel, and if I don't remember their YouTube channel, I will probably mention in another video, but if I do, I will link it in the description box from the person who did a review on this hair also. But she used a Demon brush and it made the curls look pretty, and I'm just like, oh, so like I can make the curls look the way I need it to be instead of looking like the weird type of kinky curly texture that products or companies think kinky curly hair is, but it's really not. It's just a tighter type of curl. I'm sorry, I have like glue right there and it's just bothering me. But yeah, other than that, I completely love this hair. It has a stench. Shipping was fine. Packaging was amazing, like amazing packaging. I love it. Customer service, A1. I love the customer service because I literally bothered the hell out of them. I bothered them because I wanted my packaging before New Year's, and I wanted it like I just needed my hair before any school started. So I just loved customer service. They kept in touch with me. They emailed me if I wasn't there when the package got. They asked for my number, which I was there. And the day it said it was coming, it came. The tracking for the shipping kind of did confuse me. It was delayed a day because something happened, but other than that, I loved shipping, I loved packaging, I love customer service, I love the hair. It is an affordable C360 wig. Affordable. Like, if you don't want to spend $200 on a 360 wig, or like $250, $260, it was about $170 something for this wig, and that's, if I wanted a 360 wig, you would have got it for like 210 or 220, but so 176, I live for it. So it was good hair, period. I love this hair. It is lasting me amazingly. I got this hair in December. Right now it's January and it is still holding up amazingly, and I need this hair to hold up till February 3rd because I do need this hair for a fashion show. So I love it. It's perfect for me. It is huge, so much hair, minimal shedding, bleached knots. It bleached perfectly. It washes amazingly. It's detangles great. So like, other than that, I am 100% satisfied with this hair. I thank WoWEbony for this hair. Like, I spent my own money with it, so it's not a sponsored hair review, but I do hope like one day I will be sponsored by them, because I have nothing but good things for this hair. And anybody who wants to buy this hair, please, you will be satisfied by this hair, and the company is amazing. So thank you guys for watching. It was a very short video, and please buy this hair. I haven't probably said it in the other 2 videos because I was waiting for this video, but like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Please, please subscribe. This is a new channel. This is my new me. I love this. I'm so glad to be putting myself out here. And thank you for watching this video. If you love this hair, it is so pretty. Thank you guys. Bye.